Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2004 Ford Focus. Changing the headlight is easy to do, as you only have to reach behind the housing for access to the assembly. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the fluid dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The engine air filter is extremely difficult to replace. You will need to work under the vehicle as well as in the wheel well, which are cramped spaces to have to use tools. You'll have to peel back the wheel well lining for access to the parking light. This lining can grow tight to the vehicle and be difficult to peel back. To change the taillight bulbs, you will have to remove the taillight housing first. While not overly difficult, it does include a few odd steps that the average vehicle owner may not be able to complete. Overall, the 2004 Ford Focus is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain when compared to similar models.